Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about NotCoin. We're going to be looking at NotCoin from a broad perspective, and then we're going to be going into a technical analysis perspective to look at predictions as to where this coin could be going here. Because right now, it's not looking too hot. It's not looking too hot, okay? So looking at this from a very broad perspective to start us off here on CMC, you can see here over on the left-hand side, we've got a market cap of around $750 million, nearly said billion, it's $1 million, and it's currently flatlining today, pretty much at a break even, just under 1% in terms of price action there. Now, why is this important? It's important because you can see the volume here today is actually down at around 28% to the downside, which isn't great. Okay, it's not great, and it is down at around 71st in the race, which if you look at statistics in terms of where it's ranking compared to how much volume it's generating in terms of the ranking for that as well, if they're sort of in the same similar ballpark, that's usually a good sign. Okay, if it's drastically the other way or nowhere near each other, then it's quite likely that it's going to be a bearish sign or super bullish. So the fact that this is kind of a break-even sort of stance in terms of volume in comparison to the rest of the market is actually quite a good sign here for NotCoin. Not saying there's going to be insane downwards momentum right now, but let's look at the chart. Let's let the chart speak for itself. So looking at the chart here, you've got these orange lines, and these orange lines are higher lows from the most recent, well, previous insane pump to the upside, which obviously we saw from NotCoin, and it was obviously very violent here, really good to the upside there, and we saw highs coming through. In terms of a market cap, let's have a little look here. In terms of a market cap, we saw highs for NotCoin. I think it was 2 billion. Yeah, it was just under $3 billion, okay, for an asset for NotCoin, which is, again, probably nothing. But from that point, as you can see, it has just been, the hype has died, and it has sort of just trickled down from there quite horribly, not really finding any sort of floor, seeing lows after lows after lows without even really significant pullbacks anymore. The point that I would be referencing now is going to be around somewhere like this. This is obviously the most recent low. This is the most recent, not confirmed lower high just yet. That would be up here. But right now, it is a very strong bearish trend for NotCoin, guys. Okay, it's not looking great. This is a cascade. This is the staircase that is just going down. One thing that I would say that could be positive here is we actually haven't had a really strong, significant pullback in quite a long time now, and that usually means that we're going to have a bit of upside, but probably more downside after that, right? So there is a bit of hopium here. So if you are looking to either exit your position or make some money on the way up through DCAing all the way down here, then this would be a very nice move for you there. I would expect resistance off this area like we have seen in previous price action, but right now it's looking like a bit of a bloodbath, okay? So just be prepared for lower prices. Do I think that that NotCoin is over? That's the real question here. Is NotCoin finished? No. Okay, I don't think this is finished, and the reasoning for that is, guys, is one, it's a $750 million market cap. Two, if you go over to their Telegram here, you've got 15 million people in a community. Okay, some of them are probably bots, but to have 15 million people or even 10 million people in a community can really shake up the space. Okay, it really can shake up the space if they are leveraged correctly and the community is together. In terms of supporting this asset correctly, okay? And from the looks of it, from this holding its own at $750 million market cap, it is pretty good, and we can only sort of expect this to come down after seeing such a parabolic move to the upside. So just rest assured, this isn't done. There is definitely room for growth here, and with the altcoin season near enough, getting ready to take off here, NotCoin is going to be one to watch, okay, as it does rank still in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Okay, 75th, is it? Yeah, 75th at the moment, okay, and yeah, I don't think it's the end of the world, but right now, again, down 11%, so just kind of hold on for dear life, and you shouldn't be trading crypto if you're not used to the volatile swings anyway, but yeah, you'll get used to it if you are new to the space. But yeah, NotCoin definitely one to watch being at this low price, and definitely a potential DCA in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Before we end the video, guys, just want to talk to you quickly about Pepe Unchained. You know I like to give you alpha information, alpha early entries to projects here, and you can see that Pepe Unchained is a layer 2 based protocol, which essentially is Pepe, and it's created its own blockchain. This is specifically built for meme coins to be hosted on, which is super bullish, super cool. And they're going to have their own dedicated blockchain explorer like Etherscan, like SoulScan. We can look into the chain and all that good stuff. And you can see how much they've raised so far in this pre-sale. $13.5 million. Okay, full disclosure, I'm in this pre-sale. I jumped in, super bullish. I bought my bags of this. I really think that this has got huge legs. They've raised $13.5 million. It's not gonna die out. This thing is gonna absolutely explode. It could be the new host of all meme coins. Who knows at this point with the meme space. And for Pepe to have its own blockchain, what more do you want? Super, super bullish. I'll leave the link in the description for Pepe Unchained for you guys to go check out. Make sure you don't miss that super early alpha entry. If you get in now, you're probably looking at around a 10 to 100x at launch, in my honest opinion, and that's sort of what I'm going for. But yeah, you make your own choices, right? But yeah, that's gonna be it from me. Drop a little like if you could, and if you found some value here, that is gonna be it. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.